You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Polly here, wearing the Zelensky jacket. Trust me, no fan here. I'm gonna talk and show you my making of two pizzas. This is a double feature, and they're gonna be different styles. One's a round pizza. What is unique about this pizza, it has this one ingredient that I've never tried before on a pizza. What is that? It is Carolina Reaper cheese. Now, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. Carolina Reaper, Monterey Jack with jalapeno, habanero, and Carolina Reaper peppers. So it sounds like it's not just Carolina Reaper. But we're gonna put this on the round pizza. The other pizza is gonna be a Flint style, and I call it the politically correct Flint style. There's no bullet holes, there's no indication of bad roads, no marijuana references. It's all politically correct. Yes, the politically correct pizza is a pizza that could be served at an event where the governor's hosting a big dinner party or something like that. So let me explain how that is different from the official Flint style. The green, it does not reference marijuana. It does reference the nice green grasses that people love having here in the Great Lakes State. And the black olives no longer reference to potholes in the road. They represent tires for all the General Motors products that have been manufactured here in the Flint area. American cheese is not in reference to being the cheap stuff or fake cheese. It's American. Pepperonis no longer represent bad manhole covers. They represent the medals for awards given to cars built here as well. So let's get into these two pizzas. Both of them are going to be cooked in the Will Prep pizza oven. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers.
Munster cheese, Monterey Jack, Flint style. There. Oh no, that looks good. She hot. So there you have it. The round pizza was good, but this Carolina Reaper, little lady says, "Ooh, that's hot." And really, I'll probably never do it again. It was good. Not going to waste, I'll tell you that. The politically correct Flint style pizza tastes just the same as a derogatory Flint style pizza. Thank you for watching. I'm Paulie. Till next time.